Emergency transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. A Tennessee Amber Alert has been issued.
Finally! 20 minutes!
Memphis Police Department for 4-year-old black male Zion Bird. He was last seen wearing a blue Jordan t-shirt, blue jean shorts, and red white tennis shoes.
Oh, I gotta turn my TV on!
He was abducted by his 27-year-old non-custodial father, Dominique.
Clay, what do you think of this?
Nichols was driving a white Toyota Camry with an unknown Mississippi license plate. Nichols is a convicted felon. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Zion Bird or Dominique Nichols, please call 911 or the TBI 1800 TBIFA North D.
Alright, TV's next.
In Nashville at 10 a.m.
TV. TV. TV, Clay. Finally.
Why isn't 1050 hertz when they haven't even relayed it yet?
I know, right?
This is a child abduction emergency transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. A Tennessee Amber Alert has been issued by the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation on behalf of the Memphis Police Department for 4-year-old black male Zion Bird. He was last seen wearing a blue
Zion?
t-shirt, blue jean shorts, and red white tennis shoes.
I know a person named
He was
Zion.
abducted by his 27-year-old non-custodial father, Dominique Nichols, and was last seen wearing a blue shirt and blue jeans. Nichols was driving a white Toyota Camry with an unknown Mississippi license plate. Nichols is a convicted felon. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Zion Bird or Dominique Nichols, please call 911 or the TBI 1800 TBIFA North D.